Hello Praveen, Karan, Happiitude team and fellow learners. This is Amitabh from Noida. It has been a lovely experience to learn, get engaged, get immersed in this learning experience, this program. Learners from different parts of the globe, and yet this common thread of exploring the theme of happiness which ties us together. A brilliant experience. I work with BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, India's leading public sector undertaking, as DGM Corporate Learning and Development Strategy. Joined BHEL way back in January 1998, and these 2 decades have been absolutely fantastic working with this great organization. What brought me here? I downloaded the brochure from Happiitude site and started going through it. Took 2-3 days time to understand what this program is all about. Was trying to understand the delivery mechanism, the learning pace, the content. And when I was trying to understand that the program gives you enough space to learn at your pace, even if you skip 1 or 2 sessions. In fact, when I came to know that there is this program called Certified Happiness Coach, there is enough opportunity to catch it up, to talk to mentors. And the most important thing which brought me to this course was its content. As they say that content is king, and this program is real testimony to that statement. I have been going through some of the literature, some of the books in the area of positive organizational behavior. The writings of Fred Luthans, Martin Seligman, his accomplished work, Learned Optimism, some of the writings of Carl Rogers. But when this opportunity came to really understand a subject like happiness, this opportunity was a God-sent opportunity, trying to understand things in a more systematic manner. Another very beautiful part of this course is that it gives you opportunity to explore the theme from both organizational perspective and from the individual perspective. So that brought me to this program, and as we are in the last leg of this course, I'm really happy, delighted that I chose to do this program.